So, Hari Om everyone. Today, our guest speaker is Naveen ji. So, Naveen ji is a representative of Madhav Ashram, Bhopal. He has been practicing Agnihotra for the last 40 years and trying to spread it across yoga centers, art of living centers, schools, societies, wellness programs through online and offline mode. He has taken close to 70 sessions on Agnihotra in the past 2.5 years in Bangalore. So on the professional side, he is a mechanical engineer, MBA and PMP certified professional and have worked in many corporate including L&T, John Deere, GE, Volvo Eicher, Hero Motocorp and now working in a startup in Bangalore. He traveled across the USA, Europe, and China from the company's work point of view. So this is all about Naveen ji, and Naveen ji, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now, whatever I think you can start with your journey, share with us.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for the introduction, ma'am. Actually, along with me, my wife is there, Shalini Jain, actually. So, again, we actually both are engineers, as mentioned by ma'am also. So, we both are engineers. We are working towards this area, actually. So, basically, actually, we are from Jaipur. Our family is actually from Jaipur. And then for the last 2.5 years, we are here in Bangalore and trying to, spread the knowledge about the Agnihotra to all the participants, actually. So, we'll discuss in detail about the Agnihotra also, Agnihotra science, Agnihotra benefit, Agnihotra experience also we'll share throughout the session actually, and why one should perform Agnihotra. We'll discuss in detail actually. And thanks for the opportunity to given to us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving the opportunity to us to come in this session actually to share the our Agnihotra side.
Thank you.
I
Thank
think
you,
I'll
Naveen and
cover in
Shalini.
both. Yeah, I'll cover in both the languages, Hindi and English. I think is comfortable with everyone. So
Yes.
we'll cover in both the languages actually. We'll mix the language going forward. Okay, ma'am. So I'll try to share my screen. It will be visible to everybody. I'll just try to share my screen first. Yeah. So maybe I hope it's visible, right?
It's visible.
It's visible
It's
to everyone,
visible.
right?
Ji, ji, ji.
Yeah.
You
So
can, if you want, you can just share the main screen and hide your slides.
yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
doing that
just do
actually.
that. Yeah.
Let me just try.
You can select a portion of it and
Uh,
on Zoom.
yes.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to do it actually. Is it visible, ma'am?
It is visible, but you can share it still better.
Okay.
Shakuntala, can you explain please to Naveen ji?
If it is in PPT, then you can do that PowerPoint
Yes, ma'am.
show.
I'm just doing it actually. I think in the PP it's a PDF format.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see now?
Hey, this is visible, so it is fine. If it is in PDF, then
I'll do one thing, ma'am. Maybe it will be helpful to everybody. Just a moment, ma'am. I'll open the PPT, sorry, for the inconvenience. I'm just closing it out. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see in the full screen now?
no. You have to stop sharing first and then share it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
So I'll share it, the PPT one. This is share it. Okay.
Now the show mode.
Yeah. Here we go. Can you see it, ma'am?
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Huh.
It took a minute, but yeah, no problem, ma'am. So no worries. So what I'll do is okay. So we'll go, ma'am, one by one. So the brief context over here is actually basically if you see the ma'am earlier time, the previous time, let's say 100 years ago time, or the let's say 200 years ago time, people used to be more fit, ma'am, in terms of physical, in terms of mental. Let's say there is a a family of 4 to 5% or 10% of the family in the previous time. We will see only hardly one member can be suffering from different health issues. But ma'am, nowadays, if you see the current scenario is, if there is a family of 3 to 4 members also, if one can be diabetic, one can be blood pressure, ma'am, or there could be many health issues in the family. You can see, ma'am, those issues in our family also. You can see in in our neighborhood also, or even we can see in our environment, ma'am. Why it is happening is, ma'am, because of the ill environment. So now if you see, there is a air pollution, there is a water pollution, there is a mental pollution, ma'am. If you see whatever we intake in our body actually, in terms of air, in terms of food grain, in terms of fruits, in even the water, everything is ma'am is actually impure. Nothing is pure, ma'am. तो वो बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में, जैसा खाए अन्न वैसा होए मन एक्चुअली। तो क्या हो रहा है मैम, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एक्चुअली वी आर गेटिंग मल्टीपल काइंड ऑफ हेल्थ इश्यूज, मैम। हेल्थ इश्यूज आर देयर, depression is there, anxiety, tension, negativity, all things are, ma'am, coming in our family. Nowadays, ma'am, negativity is so high, it is going in the kid also. In the kids also, if you see the kids are also getting so much of negative nowadays. Why it is happening is, ma'am, because of the impurity in the air, in the water, in the food grain, ma'am. As a basic human being, ma'am, what we need is pure air, pure food grain, and the pure water actually. If we get these things in the pure, ma'am, then we will remain healthy in terms of physical, in terms of mental, ma'am. आपने अगर सुना हो, पहला सुख निरोगी काया, what it means is, if we remain healthy in terms of physical, in terms of mental, then ma'am, at least we can enjoy the money which we are earning through the job or through the business. Not only us, ma'am, even in the family also, if everyone remains healthy in terms of physical, in terms of mental, that's why we can enjoy the time also, ma'am. Otherwise we need to spend a lot of time, lot of money, lot of energy in the doctors only, ma'am, by getting multiple health issues, right? So, ma'am, Agnihotra is a small process. It's purely based on the Vedic science, actually. I'll show this also. Agnihotra is a very small process, purely based on the Vedic science, which, ma'am, purifies the environment, ma'am, which purifies the home environment. Agnihotra is a small practice, ma'am, which takes hardly 7 to 10 minutes in the morning and 7 to 10 minutes in the evening. But when you do this Agnihotra in the house, it's a small havan, ma'am, actually. It's a small havan. So when you do Agnihotra in the house in the morning and in the evening, it creates the gases, ma'am. So they are the 4 kind of gases are getting emitted through this entire process: ethylene oxide, beta protoelectron, formaldehyde, and formalin oxide. So when these gases are getting emitted, when it mixes in the environment, that's where the bacteria will not be there, ma'am. Your infection will go away. This is the basic thing. So what happens when you stay in the same environment? That's where you get a very good health actually. If I give an example, let's say in Delhi, because I think most of the persons are from the NCR only. The Delhi, अभी 2 दिन पहले news आया था, the air pollution is quite high, ma'am. So there is a AQI which stands for Air Quality Index, which shows the purity of the air, ma'am. So in Delhi, the AQI stands for almost 400 number. It's very difficult to breathe also. Even there's a study which is shows on the Google कि almost 20 lakhs kid their lungs are damaged, ma'am. They are taking simply medicines in their childhood also. And when you can think the scenario, when they go for their physical, when they go for their professional life or their personal life after their 10 to 15 years of their academic, how their body will behave, man. Because we know the health issues, the medicines which we generally take has the chemicals actually, it has a side effect. So how to get rid of all those health issues? We can do all those. We can get it from the health issues with the help of Agnihotra, ma'am. Agnihotra मतलब अग्नि में आहुति. Agni plus hotra. अग्नि में आहुति. So whatever we put inside the fire actually gives the manifold return, ma'am. It gives the return in the manifold way. So Agnihotra is basically a small process which can purify your air, your water, your food grain, ma'am. सो जैसे हम लोग इंसान है, हमारा बेसिक नीड क्या है, मैम? हमारा बेसिक नीड एक्चुअली रोटी कपड़ा और मकान नहीं है. हमारा बेसिक नीड क्या है, मैम? द बेसिक नीड इज एस, इफ वी कैन गेट द प्योर एयर, pure water and pure air actually, the pure food gain, then we will remain healthy in terms of physical, in terms of mental, ma'am. Since it's very simple process, it has that much of advantage. Nowadays in the globe also, if you search Agnihotra on Google, you will find almost 100 plus countries are there where this practice is being followed. जो अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे क्या प्रिंसिपल्स है क्या साइंस है, इन द सेम वे इट इज बीइंग डन अक्रॉस द ग्लोब आल्सो नाउ इट इज, irrespective of caste, creed or gender, anyone can perform अग्निहोत्रा मैम, just to verify the environment in the house actually. आज हम देखें हम लोग we generally go for the yoga, we generally go for the meditation, we generally go for the pranayam, or let's say we go generally go for the evening or morning walk. Why we do ma'am all those things is just to remain healthy. Correct na ma'am? We are doing all this practice just to remain healthy, ma'am. Now, give me an answer, ma'am. For example, you are actually participating in the yoga class, right? That means you are at least you will be healthy, right? What about the other family members, ma'am? Your spouse, your parents, your kids. If they are not participating in the yoga class, are they healthy, ma'am? Because they are not participating, right? But ma'am, Agnihotra is a small practice. It has that much of benefit actually. Even if you participate in the Agnihotra process or not, but everybody gets the benefit, मैम. बिकॉज क्या होता है, आपने अग्निहोत्र हवन किया, एक बार हवन करने से आपका 8,000 cubic feet आपका जो एरिया है इट गेट्स प्योरिफाइड मैम. 90% बैक्टीरिया विल नॉट बी देयर इन द होम मैम. Since you will stay in the home, everybody stays in the home actually, though they will get the pure air to breathe, ma'am. And that air will go in your lungs. Of course, your body will become more healthier actually. Your infection will go away. So that is the basic thing. So with the Agnihotra, so if you see in the currently also, ma'am, nothing is pure. आपको एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ मैं, चाहे से इफ यू गो इन बैंगलोर, इफ यू गो इन जयपुर, इफ यू गो इन दिल्ली आल्सो, नंबर ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. लगातार हॉस्पिटल लगातार बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. सिमिलरली नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स आर आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे मैम. करेक्ट ना? इट इज हैपनिंग. सो क्यों हो रहा है मैम, ये हम सब जानते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द इल एनवायरमेंट. आज का वातावरण ये हो गया, जल पान खाद्यान्न एवरीथिंग इज इम्प्योर मैम. So how to safeguard ourselves, ma'am? That is what the question here is. So the answer, which we have been doing for the last 40 years, 40. We have been practicing for the Agnihotra for the last 40 years in our home. And this is what our experience says. With the help of Agnihotra, your body will get more immunity and the number of health issues get down, ma'am. There are many families who are doing Agnihotra for the last 30 years, 10 years, 20 years. Many families, ma'am, across the globe. And they are getting the benefit actually. Even the ma'am negativity also goes away with the help of Agnihotra. So all those things are there with the help with the Agnihotra, ma'am. Why one should perform the Agnihotra actually? Now, can we have the answer? This Agnihotra is the answer to is this to this pollution actually. Now I'll tell you. अग्निहोत्रा जो होता है इसे साइंटिफिक रिचुअल एक्चुअली प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द वैदिक साइंस मैम. So whatever the Veda we know, the four Vedas are there, right? Yajurved has mentioned about the Agnihotra, ma'am. इवन भगवान राम ने आजीवन अग्निहोत्र किया है. इट इज मेंशन इन द वाल्मीकि रामायण मैम. सो अग्निहोत्र कोई नई चीज नहीं है मैम. इट वाज देयर इन द एंशिएंट टाइम आल्सो. हम सब बीच में भूल गए, अभी फिर से स्टार्ट हुआ. मानवाशी पौदार फ्रॉम माधव आश्रम स्टार्टेड दिस प्रैक्टिस सिंस 22nd Feb 1963 एक्चुअली. सो दिस प्रैक्टिस इज बीइंग फॉलोड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब एक्चुअली. सो अग्निहोत्रा जो है आज पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड हो रहा है. सिंपल सी प्रैक्टिस है, हार्डली टेक्स 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and in the evening, but it has a tremendous benefit on the health मैम, which we'll cover. सो अब हम बात करते हैं कि करते कैसे हैं इस चीज को मैम. हाउ टू परफॉर्म अग्निहोत्रा इन द हाउस एक्चुअली. सो अग्निहोत्रा देखिए, हम जो भी कुछ करते हैं वी शुड डू विद सम डिसिप्लिन. whatever the things we do in our life we should do with some discipline or with some principles ma'am. Let's say there is a kid who is studying in the class 10th. If they want to score a good marks, he or she wants to score good marks in the 10th class board exam, they need to put almost 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours daily. Then only they will get a good marks. There will not be any miracle in the last moment कि हाँ हमने पढ़ा नहीं और हमें marks आ जाएंगे. Correct. Similarly, the like us who are working in the corporate life, if we perform well, then only if you are meeting your KRA, then only we are eligible for the salary hikes or promotion also, right? Similarly, ma'am, in the Agnihotra there are the 5 principles. बहुत सिंपल से प्रिंसिपल्स है मैम, उनको हमें फॉलो करना है. एवरी प्रिंसिपल हैज द साइंस बिहाइंड इट एक्चुअली, which I'll discuss in detail about this. So the first principle says, whenever you do Agnihotra, ma'am, it should be performed in the morning and in the evening, ma'am. Suryodaya, Suryast, sunrise timing and sunset timing. Wherever we stay, let's say we are staying in Delhi or Noida. I'm staying in Bangalore. Let's say I stay in Jaipur or Kolkata or USA, Europe, anywhere. wherever we stay, we should do Agni Hotra in the morning and in the evening, sunrise timing and sunset timing, ma'am. Ma'am, what the science says, science क्या है इसके पीछे, which I'll tell you. So, ma'am, what happen when there is a change in the environment from morning to evening or evening to morning, vice versa? There is there are rhythms are there in the nature actually. They are the vibrations basically. So, rhythm जो होती है ना उसको बोलते हैं circadian rhythm. Again, circadian rhythm is a part of astrophysics, again part of science only, ma'am. Similarly, what happened, ma'am? Our body, जो हमारी body है, ma'am. If you, I think Tripti ma'am must be knowing, in our body we have two nostril systems, Chandra Nadi and Surya Nadi, ma'am. Right, ma'am? So Chandra Nadi होता है, Surya Nadi होता है. So ma'am, these nostrils are not working together anytime, ma'am. It gets changed on a hourly basis, left to right and right to left. Of course, we can't sense, ma'am, as a normal human being, but Ayurveda doctor can sense when they put the nadi, right? They can sense it out, right? But ma'am, what happened, ma'am, at this point of time, when you do Agni in the morning and in the evening, sunrise timing, sunset timing, your both the nostrils are working together. That means, ma'am, you can intake lot of energy in your body when you do Agni Hotra in the morning and in the evening because your both the nostrils are working together, ma'am. Similarly, ma'am, what happened? You have one more nadi system, Sushmana nadi बोलते हैं उसको. It is on the spinal cord. अपना जो बैक साइड स्पाइनल कोड वहां होता है. It also get breathe, ma'am, at this point of time. आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. इफ यू गो टू एनी ऑफ द बीचेस यू विल फाइंड बीचेस आर कूल एंड काम इन द मॉर्निंग एंड आफ्टरनून टाइम, मैम. बट इन द इवनिंग इट कन्वर्ट्स इन द हाई टाइड, मैम, बिकॉज ऑफ द नेचर. Because Earth attracts to the center of gravity, right? So, ma'am, everything is driven through nature. So, what we are doing, we are trying to sync our body with the nature through sunrise timing and through sunset timing, ma'am. From nature we take everything, right? We takes everything from nature, sunlight or let's say food grain or the air, everything, ma'am, we take it from nature. But what we are getting is simply a pollution, ma'am. हम सब जानते हैं कि लोक कर्मा क्या बोलता है, मैम. वॉट एवर वी डू इन आवर लाइफ वी गेट द रिटर्न इन दैट वे, राइट? यू एग्री विद दैट? सो कोरोना वाज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ इको इम्बैलेंसिंग, मैम. Corona was one of the example of eco imbalancing, and in my family when we were in Jaipur there was no corona patient in our family, ma'am. Can you believe it? In the alpha waves, beta waves, gamma, whatever the waves came, actually there was no corona patient in our family, ma'am. And even we taught this practice to many of the persons through online mode. And they also started doing this practice and they also got the benefit, ma'am. So whenever we do Agni Hotra, we should do in the morning and in the evening. There is a timetable available, app is available, which I'll share with the ma'am also, which they can, I think she can share with everybody. What is the morning time and the evening time of your particular location, ma'am. This is the first principle, okay? Second principle, ma'am. Second is whenever we do Agni Hotra, we should do with the pyramid shaped pot, ma'am. Can you see this, ma'am? The photo is there. Actually, the actual thing is here, ma'am. This is actually copper pot. Actually, this is a pyramid structure, ma'am. Pyramid क्या होता है, ma'am? Pyramid contains energy. If you search on Google, ma'am, there are a lot of researches are going on the pyramid energy, ma'am. Because whatever we keep inside this pyramid, ma'am, there is no decay. आप चाहे कुछ भी इसमें रखें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिस्र के पिरामिड है. इफ यू सी द हिस्ट्री, दे आर द 7 wonders in the world, right? And one of the wonders is your Mishra pyramid, ma'am, which says कि thousands years ago dead bodies, there is no decay, ma'am. Why? Because this shape contains your energy. Actually, this shape contains your electromagnetic field, ma'am. It contains it has a electromagnetic field, and because of this there is no decay. आप कच्चा दूध का बाउल लें, दूध को ढक दीजिए, मैम, इस वाले पिरामिड स्ट्रक्चर पॉट से जो बना हुआ कॉपर का है. आपका, मैम, दूध नहीं फटेगा सुबह से शाम तक. नहीं तो क्या होगा? दूध फट जाता है, राइट? दे विल बी कर्डलिंग इन द मिल्क, राइट, मैम? सो इट हैज दैट मच ऑफ एनर्जी, मैम. तो डायमेंशन फिक्स है इसका. 5.25 सेंटीमीटर इसका बेस हो गया. हाइट इज योर 6.5 सेंटीमीटर. द विड्थ ऑन द टॉप इज योर 14.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड 51 डिग्री इज द एंगल, मैम. दिस इज अ परफेक्ट पिरामिड. और ये बना हुआ किसका, मैम? कॉपर का, मैम. So science has discovered, ma'am, so far 118 elements, ma'am, as per the science, right? And copper is the purest element discovered by science so far, ma'am. Even every molecule of the copper has a pyramid structure, ma'am. ओके. तो इसीलिए आज आप देखिए हम लोग, बहुत सारे लोग, सभी आजकल घरों में कॉपर के वेसल में पानी रखते हैं, राइट? एंड वी जनरली ड्रिंक द वाटर बिकॉज इट गेट्स प्योरिफाइड, मैम. दैट इज द बेसिक थ्योरी, मैम, बिहाइंड दैट एक्चुअली. सो ये बना हुआ कॉपर का है, पिरामिड स्ट्रक्चर का पोर्ट है, मैम. एंड इसमें आप देखिए, तो कहीं कोई जॉइंट नहीं है. देयर इज नो जॉइंट, मैम, एट ऑल. एंड इवन देयर इज नो कुंडा आल्सो. कोई कुंडा नहीं है. जनरली क्या होता है, हमारे कुंड में कुंडे होते हैं, मैम. सो व्हाट हैपन, मैम, व्हेन यू पुट द कुंडा, यू आइदर यू हैव टू गो फॉर वेल्डिंग और सोल्डरिंग और ब्रेजिंग प्रोसेस मैम, एज पर साइंस, राइट? तो उससे क्या होता है मैम, योर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस मटेरियल विल गेट चेंज, जो हमें चेंज नहीं करना, हमें प्योर चीज यूज करनी है। तो ये बना हुआ कॉपर का है, डायमेंशन फिक्स है मेरा। तो जब भी मैं अग्निहोत्र हवन करूंगा तो मुझे इस वाले शेप के अंदर, इस वाले पॉट के अंदर अपने को हवन करना है। इसका सेकंड प्रिंसिपल है मैम, दैट इज द सेकंड प्रिंसिपल। ओके, थर्ड प्रिंसिपल मैम आई शो यू। थर्ड इज योर काउडंग केक्स मैम। ये आप जानते होंगे, सब लोग जानते हैं, गाय का गोबर है एक्चुअली। सो गोबर मतलब होता है गो प्लस वर, यानी गौ माता का वरदान है मैम। आपने अगर देखा हो पुराने घरों में या ओल्डर टाइम में, पीपल यूज टू डू द कोटिंग ऑफ द हाउस, राइट मैम? बैक्टीरियाज नहीं रहते उसके अंदर। आप देखें मैम, ये गोबर का जो जो कंडा है मैम, बेसिकली इफ यू सी दिस काउडंग केक एक्चुअली, गोबर जो होता है मैम, इट हैज मेरी मेरी मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज एक्चुअली। कोई मान लीजिए अगर मैं बीमार है, किसी को मलेरिया फीवर है, फ्रेश गोबर आप स्मेल कर लीजिए, योर मलेरिया विल गो अवे मैम। इफ यू पुट दिस काउ डंग इन द फार्मिंग, दैट्स व्हाई योर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इज देयर मैम। आज के टाइम में there are many people who travel nowadays to गौशाला मैम, and they if they spend some time with cows, their BP gets down, or these things is there already on the net, on the Google मैम। I'll tell you मैम, one more property of the cow dung। So हमने क्या किया मैम, जयपुर में हमने एक फ्रेश काउ डंग लिया और उसको हथेली होती ना पाम में, जो अपनी पाम है एक्चुअली, उस पर चिपका दिया फ्रेश काउ डंग को, एंड वी ड्राइड फॉर 1 आवर मैम। एंड वी वेंट टू डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर को बोला कि आप हमारा एक्सरे कर दीजिए। हम सब जानते हैं कि डॉक्टर कैन डू द एक्सरे ऑफ योर हेड आल्सो, योर लेग आल्सो, योर एनी ऑफ द, दे कैन डू द एक्सरे, राइट? But when we applied the cow dung, we dried it for 1 hour, we went to doctor, you won't believe ma'am, your x-ray was black. That means radioactive rays of your X-ray will not pass through your cow dung, ma'am. It has that much of science, ma'am, behind it. So radiation impact will not be there when there is a cow dung is available, ma'am. Even whenever there is any atomic blast happen, ma'am, any atomic blast happen, generally scientists suggest to stay in the cow dung coating, do the cow dung coating on the house, stay inside. There will not be any radiation impact, ma'am. So every principle of the Agnihotra has that much of science, that much of power together. When you combine 5 principles together, that's where you feel lot of energy in the house, ma'am. Got it, na? That's where you feel lot of energy in the house when you do Agnihotra with combining the 5 principles. So far we have spoken about the 3 principles. Now the fourth principle is the 2 pinchful of unbroken uncooked rice. मैम ये राइस वही है जो हम घर में खाते हैं, इसे बासमती राइस एक्चुअली शुड बी अनब्रोकन मैम। I'll tell you the science also behind it later. So rice should be unbroken and 2-3 drops of cow's ghee, ma'am. You can imagine 250 gram rice is enough for 1 month, ma'am. एक पाव चावल 250 gram rice is enough for 1 month and 50 ml desi ghee is enough for 1 month, ma'am. That means there are no expenses when doing this process, ma'am, in the house. It's only 400-500 rupees to arranging the cow dung, ma'am. And 500 rupees for a month is, ma'am, nothing. When you get to go to any of the ice cream parlor also, we know how the money goes, right? But in the 500 rupees, you are giving a very good health to the entire family, ma'am. That is the point I was trying to mention. Okay. So fourth principle is the 2 pinchful of unbroken, uncooked rice smeared with the 2-3 drops of cow's ghee. The way it is shown here. This is the fourth principle. Fifth is the chanting of mantra, ma'am. So if you see here, there are the 2 mantras which we need to chant in the morning and in the evening. I'll chant in front of you about the morning mantras. Then mantras are for the morning are सूर्याय स्वाहा, सूर्याय इदं नमः, प्रजापतये स्वाहा, प्रजापतये इदं नमः। दैट्स ऑल मैम। ये आपके 2 लाइन के मंत्र हैं, सुबह के और शाम के। सो मैम, वेन एवर यू चेंट एनी मंत्र विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द वैदिक साइंस, इट क्रिएट्स द वाइब्रेशंस मैम। वेन यू चेंट ओम आल्सो इन द हाउस, जैसे आप ओम का चेंट करते हैं, कोई प्रेयर बोलते हैं, इट क्रिएट्स द वाइब्रेशंस मैम। एंड वाइब्रेशंस आर सो पावरफुल मैम। व्हेन any bridge, any army goes on the bridge, ma'am, and if their frequency matches with the bridge frequency, their rhythm matches with the bridge frequency, then bridge may collapse, ma'am. With the some person we would like to meet because they give the positive vibrations, right, ma'am? With the some person we want to go away because they give the negative vibrations. But ma'am, when you do Agnihotra in the house, then the positivity comes in our house actually. Negativity goes away and positivity comes in our house actually. And it goes to every living being, ma'am. Not only on the human, your crop is there, let's say plants are there, your pets are there. It goes, ma'am, everywhere, ma'am. So, five principle: morning timing, morning and evening timing, ma'am. Whenever we do, we should do in the morning and evening timing. Second is about the pyramid structure pot. Third is about the cow dung cakes. Fourth is your two pinch full of unbroken, uncooked rice. It's made with the 2-3 drops of cow's ghee. And fifth is the chanting of mantra, ma'am. Now science क्या बोलता है, मैम? साइंस ये बोलता है, मैम, कि when you do अग्निहोत्रा, मैम, what happen, मैम? Please do not read, just hear me out. So, ma'am, when you do Agnihotra, ma'am, what happens? I told you rice should be unbroken, right? I told this thing, right? So, ma'am, rice contains your starch and moisture, ma'am. So as per the chemistry, it has the that means it's H2O. Similarly, when you ignite this CO, this cow dung cakes also, that's where CO2 is coming out in the small quantity. So H2O plus CO2, when they react together, ma'am, it creates the SCHO, which is formaldehyde gas. I told about the four gases, na, ma'am. I'm talking about the one gas, how it getting created, right? So H2O plus CO2 equal to SCHO plus O2. O2 is your oxygen, ma'am. So SCHO is a formaldehyde gas which is being used by doctors. When doctors goes for a kind of surgical operation, they always passes their all the surgical equipment through this gas so that the bacteria of one patient will not pass to the other patient, ma'am. Just to sterilize the equipment, they do pass all those equipment through this gas only, ma'am. Similarly, when doctors go for any kind of OT or let's say surgery also, they do the disinfection of OT through this gas only, ma'am. अब आप सोच लीजिए, आपने सुबह हवन किया वो गैस बनी, शाम को आपने हवन किया शाम को वो गैस बनी, यानी आपका वातावरण कितना शुद्ध हो गया है। 24/7 योर एनवायरमेंट बिकम्स प्योरिफाइड, बैक्टीरिया विल नॉट बी देयर, योर इन्फेक्शन विल गो अवे। तो आप बीमार कैसे पड़ेंगे? करेक्ट ना? आप बीमार कम पड़ेंगे, आप ओवर द टाइम बीमारी कम होती जाएगी मैम। So this is how you can purify the environment. Now H2 plus equal to the SCHO plus O2. O2 क्या है? प्राण वायु, oxygen actually. So when you do Agnihotra, ma'am, it increase the oxygen level also in the house. You can measure before the Agnihotra performance oxygen level. Again, you can measure after the Agnihotra performance level also. There is a increase of the oxygen in the house, ma'am. Oxygen, we know how the importance of the oxygen in our body also. Whatever our body has, all the cells, all the organ, अगर इनको functioning करना है properly, then blood carries the oxygen, ma'am. So when you do a pranayam also, when you do a yoga pranayam also, you try to intake as much as possible the air in your lungs, right, ma'am? Because this goes to the entire body. तो आपका वातावरण शुद्ध हुआ, ऑक्सीजन बन रहा है, आप ये परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, आपकी बॉडी होती जा रही है। इवन मैम, एनी स्केर्सिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ऑक्सीजन विल may create the cancer also. So with this process, the oxygen level can also increase, ma'am. I'll give an example, ma'am, just to tell you. So my example is basically, now you can see this also. So ma'am, in 1984, 3rd December, इट वॉज द इंसिडेंट हैपन इन द MIC गैस लीकेज, जानते हैं उस नाम से, आई थिंक मैम को पता होगा, भोपाल में हुआ था एक्चुअली इंसिडेंस। सो इन 1984 3rd December देयर वाज इंसिडेंट हैपन, MIC गैस लीकेज बोलते हैं उसको। सो MIC गैस स्टैंड फॉर मिथाइल आइसोसाइनेट गैस विच इज क्वाइट पॉइजनस गैस मैम। उसके रिसाव की वजह से ऑलमोस्ट 30 से 35 हजार लोग मारे गए मैम। देयर वर मेनी फैमिलीज हु वर हैविंग डिफरेंट हेल्थ इश्यूज मैम। देयर वर मेनी लेडीज वर प्रेग्नेंट और डॉक्टर ने उनको बोला कि भैया आप अबॉर्ट कर लीजिए, तभी देयर कुड बी फ्यूचर इन द प्रॉब्लम फॉर द किड्स मैम। But you won't believe, ma'am, there were two families which we know personally also who were residing in the near vicinity only, and there was no casualty in those families, ma'am. Can you believe it? There was no single health issues on those families because of the Agnihotra performance, ma'am. They were doing for so many years, and there was no single impact also, ma'am. So basically, ma'am, Agnihotra is actually a safeguard. Agnihotra will safeguard you from the ill environment, ma'am. So let's say in the rainy season, generally take the umbrella with us, right? Just to safeguard from the rains, right? In the similar way, it's actually safe. It will safeguard you, not only you, the entire family, from the ill environment through the Agnihotra process, ma'am. This is where the Agnihotra has the importance now. So Agnihotra basically the air, which I told, is a holistic approach which can purify your air, your water, your food grain, ma'am. Everything can be purified with the help of Agnihotra. So far, I covered about the only air part of it. Now I'll cover the water part of it also. So if you see here, ma'am, I'll show you one book. Maybe you can see this actually. It's a Agnihotra Chikitsa करके book आता है. Uh, I think you can see it, right, ma'am? So basically, what happens when you do Agnihotra, ma'am? Because of this ignition of the cow dung, there will be ash, ma'am. वो ऐश जो होती है मैम, उस ऐश के यूजेस इसमें इस बुक में दिए हुए हैं। उस ऐश के यूज करने से, लेट्स से हाफ टी स्पून, 1 टीस्पून ऑफ द ऐश मैम, यू कैन गेट rid of almost 90 kind of health issues which is there in this book. Your cough, your cold, your sneezing, dama, even cancer first stage, epilepsy, you name the illness ma'am, it is there in this book. Generally in the Bangalore, ma'am, the weather is very mixed. In the morning, it's a very cold. In the afternoon time, it's a hot actually. And in the evening, it's either cold or the rainy. So there are many person, ma'am, who is suffering from the cough and cold actually. But ma'am, whenever I catch this thing, ma'am, I just take only half teaspoon with a lukewarm water, ma'am. And within a 2 3 days time, you will get oral fit actually. So this ash is playing a role, ma'am. This ash is playing a role actually. So वो ऐश का बड़ा उपयोग है मैम. सेकेंडली, कभी किसी को लग गया, किसी को ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, जैसे बच्चे खेलने गए, कुछ गिर गया, ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, हमें शेविंग करते कट लग गया, इवन मैम यू कैन अप्लाई द ऐश. देयर इज नो एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम इन अवर फैमिली फॉर लास्ट 15 years. वी जनरली यूज ओनली ऐश मैम. आज कई लोग हैं जो ब्रश करते हैं ऐश के थ्रू मैम. किसी को यदि हेल्थ के इश्यूज है, स्किन प्रॉब्लम है मैम, वो मलहम बना ले, लगा ले, वो निकल जाए, इट विल गेट ओवर एक्चुअली ओवर द टाइम मैम. सो दिस ऐश हैज दैट मच ऑफ इम्पैक्ट, दैट मच ऑफ द हेल्थ बेनिफिट मैम. अभी बात करता हूँ पानी के ऊपर. सो मैम द वाटर वी कंज्यूम मैम, इट्स एक्चुअली आर ओ वाटर. जनरली इन बैंगलोर इट्स हार्ड वाटर, इट गेट प्रोसेस थ्रू आर ओ. सो आर ओ वाटर इज देयर मैम. एज पर द साइंस मैम, आर ओ वाटर हैज अ TDS लेवल ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 25 to 30 numbers only. That means minerals are not there in the RO water. ओके. नाउ मैम व्हाट हैपन, वो वाटर यदि आप कंज्यूम करते भी तब उसमें प्राण नहीं है, पानी है, पानी में प्राण नहीं है मैम, क्योंकि दे आर नो मिनरल्स मैम एक्चुअली. सो व्हाट वी डू इन आवर हाउस इन द बैंगलोर हियर इज, वी जनरली प्रोसेस द वाटर थ्रू द RO ओनली, बट वी कीप ए ऑलमोस्ट 25 to 30 liter vessel, a bucket in the night, and we generally take a big spoon of what are the spoon we generally use for the food preparation. We take the one big spoon of the ash and we mix it properly ma'am. We keep this water for 8 to 10 hours over the night till the morning, and in the morning we filter the water, ma'am. If you consume this water, ma'am, you won't believe it will have all the minerals, ma'am. जिस वाटर का डाइजेशन बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, बहुत लाइट होगा. इवन मैम योर वाटर विल बिकम एल्केलाइन. आप में बीमार कब पड़ते हैं? एज पर द साइंस, द pH लेवल वी नो, राइट? 0 to 7 is your acidic level and 7 to 14 is towards the alkaline level, right? We know it, right? So when we consume this water, ma'am, in the family with the raw water, with the, let's say, food preparation, your body will go towards the alkaline. तो क्या होगा मैम? आप बीमार कम पड़ेंगे. आप ही नहीं, आपकी जो जो अपनी जो पूरी फैमिली है मैम, दे द हेल्थ इश्यूज विल गेट डाउन विद द ओवर द टाइम मैम. That is the biggest benefit of the Agnihotra, ma'am. So you can cure your air, your water through the simple process, ma'am, through the Agnihotra, ma'am, for the entire family. Now I'll come towards the food grain actually. So food grains farming. Explain. Shali will take it here further.
Namaste. Just now, Naveen told you all that how to perform Agnihotra, why one should perform Agnihotra, and how we can purify air and your water with the help of Agnihotra and Agnihotra ash. Now, how we can purify your food grains even, because see, we are not the farmers, we are not growing crops. So what we are taking is whatsoever is available in the market. From there only we are taking the your vegetables also, your fruits also, all that we are purchasing from the market itself. So what we are doing at home is, we are just whatsoever the water we are preparing from the Agnihotra ash, in that water only we are soaking the vegetables and fruits for almost 4 to 5 hours. Like in the evening, if we have to prepare food, so we will be just soaking 4 to 5 minutes prior all the vegetables. We will be dipping in that water, and the effect of your pesticides and insecticides, it gets nullified because of the your Agnihotra ash water. So what Agnihotra farming is even there, which is a type of organic farming only. ये अग्निहोत्र कृषि क्रांति करके, there is a book in which there is written that how Agnihotra farming is being done throughout the globe. It is being done now. It's a type of organic farming only. We know that there are two types of farming are there. Organic farming is there, your chemical farming is even there. So in the organic farming, we are not adding any type of chemicals in it. completely it is through organic products only. So in Agnihotra organic farming, what we are doing is we are simply not adding any of the chemicals. Along with that, we are performing Agnihotra in the farmland, and whatsoever the Agnihotra ash is being produced, that also we are adding in the soil, so that your fertility of the soil increases, the water holding capacity of the soil increases. Along with that, your nutrients, microorganisms, whosoever is good for the soil, they becomes activated. So all these are the benefits of your Agnihotra organic farming. So Agnihotra organic farming is practiced in so many states of India, even over here in Karnataka, Rajasthan, even Madhya Pradesh. So where so many places are there where Agnihotra organic farming is practiced. And there is a Kanpur Agriculture University is over there. In that university, so many experiments being conducted by the scientists, and they have concluded that Agnihotra organic farming, the nutrients which we are getting from the products of the Agnihotra organic farming, it is very in taste even it is very good. The yield per capita is even very good. So products, everything is very good comparatively to your chemical farming and comparatively to your organic farming. Because see, 95% nutrients are available in the environment only, but we are not, the plants are not getting it because your environment is not pure. So when we are performing Agnihotra in the farmland, your environment becomes purified, and what all the nutrients are available in the environment, the plants are easily getting it. That's the reason it is eco-friendly, even it is your cost effective even. So Agnihotra organic farming is a very good type of farming. uh, and then it is your, what all the impacts of your Agnihotra is, just this is not visible to me. Yeah. So because of performance of Agnihotra, just now we have seen that it increases the oxygen level of the environment. Because of the performance of Agnihotra, four type of gases are being released. So it is your as Naveen must have told you even, that along with the formaldehyde gas, oxygen gas is even released. So oxygen level of the environment even increases before the performance of Agnihotra, and after the performance of Agnihotra we can test it, and we'll come to know that the oxygen level increases because of the performance of Agnihotra. And it even increases, it helps in ozone layer construction. Along with that, it even reduces your carbon dioxide and your chlorofluorocarbons, it reduces. It is very good for the improvement of your physical and mental health. So all these are the benefits your performance of Agnihotra. Just now, Naveen must have told you that it is how to perform Agnihotra. Just in a while, I'll be telling you how to arrange the cow dung cakes and how we can prepare for your performance of Agnihotra. So what we will be doing in the pyramid shaped pot, we will be arranging cow dung cakes like this. I'll be telling you just a minute. Like this, we'll be arranging. See, in the center, we'll be keeping one cow dung piece, and in the four corners, we'll be keeping four pieces. All these preparations will be done almost 5 to 6 minutes prior to the whatsoever the time is given in the timetable. As per the longitude and latitude of the location, wheresoever we are residing, we will be getting the sunrise time and the sunset time of that particular location. Suppose in the morning, your time was 6:15. 6:15 a.m. is the time of sunrise in any of the location where we are residing. So almost 6 to 7 minutes prior to that, we will be starting making the preparations. We will ignite the ignition will be done. We will be preparing the fire. So for that, we'll be using any of the natural product. We could use camphor, we could use Google Gond, which is a product from the plant itself, or we can use cotton dipped with cow's ghee. मतलब ऐसा कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो कि environment के लिए अच्छा है, we can use that. So with this, all preparations will be done almost 5 to 6 minutes prior to it. We will ignite the camphor if we are using camphor for the ignition. So what we will be doing is, in the center we'll be keeping one cow dung piece. In the four corners we'll be taking four cow dung pieces, and in the center we will be keeping either camphor or whatsoever the product we are using for the ignition. And then we will arrange the cow dung pieces in the cross, so that proper ventilation will be there and not much smoke will be created. As much layers we want to make, we can make the layers. I will be showing it to you how I'm arranging it. Like this, it is to be arranged in the cross. In the cross, we will be arranging it. Hope it is visible to you all. Yeah, we'll be sharing the video even we are having a small video of 3-4 minutes while we were performing Agnihotra. At that time we have taken the video, so we'll be arranging it like this, and all these preparations we'll be doing almost 6-7 minutes prior. We will be igniting it even, and so the flame will be prepared in these 5 to 6 minutes, and in this duration only we will be taking rice, 2 pinch full of rice we will be taking, and 2-3 drops of cow's ghee we'll be taking. We'll be mixing it, and then exactly at the time of sunrise and sunset we will chant the mantras and we will offer the offerings. In the mantras there are 2 times swaha are coming, so whensoever swaha will come, so whatsoever the offerings we have prepared, we will offer it in the fire. Offerings will be given by any one person, and rest all the family members will be sitting and will be chanting the mantras, but offerings will be given by any one of the person. It is not compulsory even to take bath prior to the performance of Agnihotra. If we are in the habit of waking up early in the morning and we can take bath, so it's really very good. But if we are unable to do that, or because we in the morning we are like kabhi lunch banana and all that, we are having so much of work to do, so if we could not take bath prior to the performance of Agnihotra, so there is no issue, we can still perform Agnihotra. And because of any of the reason, if we could not perform Agnihotra, we are out of a station or no one is available at home, so there is no ill effect of it. जितना ज्यादा हम अग्निहोत्र करते हैं उतना फायदा होता है, लेकिन कोई नुकसान नहीं है यदि हम किसी कारण से अग्निहोत्र नहीं कर पाते हैं. द मोर विल बी परफॉर्मिंग, द मोर बेनिफिट्स विल बी हैविंग. तो हमारे जो अग्निहोत्र के 5 नियम हैं, द 5 प्रिंसिपल विच वी आर हैविंग, ओनली दीज 5 प्रिंसिपल्स आर टू बी स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोड. इसके अलावा किसी भी तरीके का कोई अंधविश्वास अग्निहोत्र पे लागू नहीं होता. There is no restrictions even, though no discrimination is irrespective of any caste, creed, gender. Anyone can perform Agnihotra, and it is easy enough. Like 12 to 13-year kid could even perform it. It is this much of easy. It is very good for our family members, all the family members, and it is very good for the physical and mental health even. In any place of our house, we can perform Agnihotra, either in the center of the house or in any of the, even in the kitchen, even we can perform Agnihotra, or in the balcony or on the terrace, wheresoever it is comfortable for us, we can perform Agnihotra. Then Agnihotra, it is an ancient ritual. Although Lord Rama, Lord Krishna has even performed throughout their life, they have even performed Agnihotra. But because of violence, कुछ समय पहले जो बलि चढ़ने लगी थी, उस वजह से जो भगवान महावीर हैं, भगवान बुद्ध हैं, उन्होंने यज्ञ बंद करवाए थे. तो now of this era, in the Agnihotra was started on 22nd of February 1963 by श्री महानुभाव श्री पोदार साहब ने उनको इसका स्टार्ट करवाया था. और मिस्टर श्री हीरालाल जी शर्मा was the first person who had started performing Agnihotra of this era. Since then, Agnihotra is being propagated throughout the globe from Madhav Ashram Bhopal. वहां से सभी जगह पूरे विश्व में अग्निहोत्र का प्रचार प्रसार किया जा रहा है. And now the situation is like there are more than 100 countries are there where Agnihotra is being performed in the same way as just now we have discussed. In the same way it is being followed, it is being performed throughout the globe. Now, how it started in our family, it is my own experience, how we started performing Agnihotra. In the year 1981, I was born in the year 1981. When I was about to born, at that time, my mother was suddenly diagnosed with epilepsy. Before that, she was completely fit and fine. I'm having my elder brother even, he is 2.5 years elder to me. So in the year 1981, when my mother was pregnant, at that time she was diagnosed with epilepsy. My father is retired from Punjab National Bank. At that time, his posting was in Kota, one of the city of Rajasthan only. So the situation was like she was having 500 mg Tegretol medicine daily, thrice a day she was taking, and as per doctor, throughout her life she had to take medication. मतलब आप खाना खाना भूल सकते हो पर दवाई खाना नहीं. दिस वॉज द सिचुएशन. और स्थितियां ऐसी थी कि क्योंकि इतना ज्यादा मेडिकेशन था, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हर मेंटल स्टेटस वॉज डिटेरियोरेटिंग डे बाय डे एंड हर हेल्थ इश्यूज वर increasing. It was increasing. It was not control. It was not under control. So because of that, our situation of our house was like कि क्योंकि वो कभी अपने आप से अकेले खाना नहीं बना पाती थी, because attack could be at any time. वो कभी टॉयलेट के गेट लैच नहीं कर पाती थी, because attack could be at any time. So the situation was very worsen. So it kept on going for 3 years. In the year 1984, April 1984, my father's school friend, Mr. Vishnu Podar, he suggested my father to start performing Agnihotra because of so many of health issues. So forcefully in the year 1984 April, we started performing Agnihotra. हमारे घर में इस तरीके से अग्निहोत्र की एंट्री हुई. देन विद इन 3-4 months माई फादर रियलाइज कि इम्प्रूवमेंट है मम्मी की हेल्थ के अंदर. अगर इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ मेडिकेशन, सो इट शुड हैव सीन इन लास्ट 3 years इवन, बट देर वॉज नो इम्प्रूवमेंट इन लास्ट 3 years. एज वी नो कि आज अगर शुगर की भी बात करें या बीपी की भी बात करें, तो बाय टेकिंग मेडिसिन वी आर simply controlling. We are not curing it, we are simply controlling it. And it is such a big disease of neuro, so there is no cure of this disease till now. Even in the medical science, there is no, we cannot cure it through medicines. So after 1.5 year almost, my father started reducing the doses of my mother, and within 3 years, it slowly, gradually, he started reducing the doses. And after 3 years, my mother stopped completely taking medication. Since last more than 35 years, she has not taken even a single dose, and not even a single attack is there. This is the impact of Agnihotra, what we had seen in our life. Actually, we got everything from Agnihotra. It's not only our family. There are so many families are there who got cured by epilepsy or your asthma. So many diseases are there which are cured by performance of Agnihotra. And lakhs and crores of people whosoever are performing Agnihotra, they are having these type of multiple experiences they are having, that because of performance of Agnihotra, their life has drastically changed. See, we all are doing our work. We all are doing whatsoever best we could do, but still Agnihotra performance is the best thing which we can do for our family members, for our kids, because environment is the basic requirement of each and every one of us. So this is all from our side.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are having any queries, just you can.
Yes, ma'am. I hope you enjoyed the session. You liked the topic also about Agnihotra. What is Agnihotra all about? Why one should perform? I hope you enjoyed it.
Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Naveenji, can you switch off your PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We can do that.
Yeah. Very, very interesting.
Thank you,
Naveenji
ma'am.
and Shalini ji, yeah. I mean, we always understand the power of mantras and chanting and, pujas and all. But your presentation was quite an eye-opener. Friends, you want to share anything, or you want to ask Naveenji, please go ahead.
I've been doing it for 30 years, so I really, know the value of it, because in my house, even during COVID, no one fell ill. So that also this could be one of the reasons. So we also have been doing for last 30 years.
Great.
Oh, very nice,
Very
ma'am.
nice,
Very nice. That was really good.
Rajendra ji, you want to ask something? आपने कुछ question भेजा है.
Me also.
Yes, ma'am.
From
Yes,
where
ma'am.
to
I
get
have-
this cow dung?
You can get on Amazon.
Ma'am, we can
Amazon.
support, ma'am. So let's see in the Amazon also, I think it will be expensive also, and you can also assure it's a right quality actually. So ma'am, we have the Goshala available in the Maharashtra also, who supplies everywhere in the India, ma'am. Again, there is a Madhavashram Bhopal also, ma'am. That's where we can supply the cow dung there, because it has the pure cows only, ma'am. Desi gaye hai वहाँ पर. So we can take the help from Madhavashram Bhopal or from the Goshala Nagpur. You just contact us, ma'am. We'll try to arrange the cow dung. There is no worry.
Sir, I have a
Even-
question, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Please.
So my question is, should Agnihotra be performed in a particular portion of the house, or it can be performed anywhere?
Ma'am, sir, you can perform anywhere in the house. You can do it in the center of the house. If you can do in the hall, you can do it in the puja room or kitchen, or let's say in the balcony also. Wherever you feel this is a good place to do Agnihotra, you can do that. But try to continue at the same place, so that you will not be, disturb the time when you start the preparation. At least it should be available. हाँ, this is the right place. So आप कहीं भी कर सकते हैं घर के अंदर, जहाँ आपको लगे comfortable, जहाँ सब लोग बैठ पाए.
And only
और
cowling
एक
is
बार
to be
आप
used.
अग्निहोत्र कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद अग्निहोत्र का पात्र जब ठंडा हो जाता है तो हम उसको किसी भी सेफ प्लेस पे रख सकते हैं, जिससे कि हमको डिस्टरबेंस ना हो, क्योंकि कई बार होता है कि बच्चे ठोकर लगा देते हैं या इंजरी हो सकती है, हर्ट हो सकता है. सो यू कैन कीप इट एज द सेफ प्लेस. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनसोएवर विल बी परफॉर्मिंग अगेन वी विल बी डूइंग द सेम प्रोसीजर. ऐश भी हमें तभी खाली करना होता है जब हमें सेकेंड टाइम परफॉर्म करना होता है. टिल देन ऐश विल बी इन द पॉट इटसेल्फ, and whensoever we'll be performing for the next time we will empty it and we will do the same procedure whatsoever we have done.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. इसके अलावा कोई नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट और वेस्ट का कोई मिथ नहीं है इसके अंदर. इट्स अ कंप्लीटली प्योरली साइंस एक्चुअली
Yeah.
मैम. इट्स अ कंप्लीटली साइंस. सो देयर इज नो मिथ, ओनली 5 principles to be followed.
So the vessel or the kunda that you showed us, so the size can be smaller than this also. Is it okay?
No. For Agnihotra performance, this is only the size.
Okay.
This is only the size. It is being prepared in Bhopal Madhav Ashram. Over there, dye is there because there is no joint even in this. It is
Okay.
specifically for Agnihotra only.
Yes.
Because for various yajna, the different size are recommended. For
Ah.
Agnihotra, this is only the specific size to be performed in.
ये अवेलेबल है
from
मैम.
where can
एक्चुअली
it be bought?
माधवाश्रम भोपाल से हम ले सकते हैं, या अगर आपको अगर चाहिए तो यू कैन अरेंज
We can-
थ्रू अस आल्सो. मैम हैज माय नंबर एंड देन आई थिंक so anybody who wants to start the Agnihotra, they can start. We will support by arranging all the stuff. There is no worry. आप बस अपना मन बनाइए, आप सर्च कीजिए. और क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, आज भी बैंगलोर के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट देयर आर 200+ persons who are doing Agnihotra regularly, मैम. There are many persons, ma'am. And if you search in Jaipur, in Delhi, even Delhi, ma'am, since actually I think many of the persons are from the NCR, from Delhi, it is really must, ma'am, because the environment, you know, right? The AQI level, you know, the air pollution level, we know, right? So, आप अगर तो start करें, आपको बड़ा अच्छा feel होगा, ma'am. You will feel relaxed.
Nice.
That's for
Yeah.
sure.
Nice.
Yeah, hi. I need to, namaskar to everybody. I need to ask how many ahutis you have to do? Only one.
Only once it is to be done. मतलब आहुति सिर्फ एक ही बार देनी होती. मंत्र जो हम बोलते हैं वो एक ही बार बोलना होता है. एक बार मंत्र बोलने में हमारे पास 2 बार स्वाहा आता है. जो हमारा
Okay.
मंत्र बोलते हैं उसमें 2 बार स्वाहा आता है. तो मतलब जो हमने ऑफरिंग्स प्रिपेयर की है राइस एंड काउज घी की, उसको हमें 2 बार स्वाहा के अंदर आहुति में मतलब अग्नि में डालना होता है. लेकिन मंत्र चैंट हमें एक ही बार करना होता है. मतलब जो पूरा मंत्र है उसको एक ही
Okay.
बार चैंट करना होता है.
हाँ. और अगर हम सब सपोज बैल्कनी में कर रहे हैं,
किया
सो उसका सेंटर ऑफ द हाउस में इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि हम सब जगह ले जाए उसको, कोई जरूरत नहीं. इट विल
नहीं, ऑटोमेटिकली गैस विल बी स्प्रेड थ्रू आउट. तो हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको कहीं कैरी करने की. हम वहीं पर रखें और ऑटोमेटिकली वो मिक्स हो जाएगी सारी की सारी एयर के अंदर. तो वी कैन सिंपली वेयरसोएवर वी आर परफॉर्मिंग अग्निहोत्र वी कैन डू ओवर देयर, एंड वंस इट इज कूल डाउन देन वी कैन कीप इट ऑन द सेफ प्लेस. अदरवाइज वी नीड नॉट टू जस्ट टेक इट एवरीवेयर एंड नो, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है.
एंड इज इट नेसेसरी टू डू ट्वाइस अ डे? मतलब सनसेट एंड सनराइज ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि एक हम फिक्स कर ले कि या सनराइज में ही करें, सिर्फ सनसेट छोड़ दे?
जब आपका कंफर्टेबल आप कर सकते हैं, जिस समय आप दोनों समय कर सकते हैं, जैसे सैटरडे संडे, इफ इट इज कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू टू परफॉर्म बोथ द टाइम, सो इट इज वेरी गुड. अगर आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, कि अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, तो आप मत करिए. लेकिन अगर अवेलेबल है और कर सकते हैं, और आप ही नहीं, घर का कोई भी मेंबर यदि कर सकता है तो वो करे. एक बार आप स्टार्ट करेंगे तो द पॉजिटिविटी यू विल फील, द इम्पैक्ट यू विल फील, यू ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल प्रिफर टू डू इट.
या थैंक यू फॉर दिस. थैंक
तो मैं इसमें जो घी, जो चावल है, राइस है, उसको घी में मिलाना होगा या अलग से डालना होगा?
नहीं, मिक्स करना होगा. हमने
Mix करना
राइस
होगा
लिया और राइस के अंदर 2-3 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ काउज घी वी विल टेक एंड वी विल मिक्स इट प्रॉपर्ली.
How
We
much
will
rice should be
mix,
taken? कितने rice
almost 60 to 70 grains of rice, 2 pinch full of rice. मतलब see, almost, if you can see it, almost just a minute, this much of rice. Is it visible?
Little up, थोड़ा ऊपर, थोड़ा
Uplift your head,
थोड़ा और
please.
ऊपर.
The
नहीं,
rice
आपका हाथ,
हाँ.
Yeah.
No.
हाँ, ओके, थोड़ा,
Okay,
हाँ,
okay.
बस,
हाँ.
बस.
हथेली में जितना आता है मैम.
Almost
जी,
थोड़ा,
समझ
मतलब
गई.
almost 60-70 grains of rice is sufficient. Means you need not to count it, बस randomly you need to take it and आपकी 2 चुटकी में जितना चावल आ जाता है उतना मानिए.
ठीक.
मैम जस्ट
Thank you.
वन मोर थिंग मैम, कैन वी कीप एन अर्दन प्लेट या मिट्टी का कुछ ऐसे, उसके ऊपर कॉपर का कुंड रख सकते हैं, because it will get hot ना, and tiles पे it would
See, what we do
break.
is like this. We are having a stand of it. This is of copper even. This stand is of copper. On this copper stand, we are keeping this pot like this. This is how we are arranging it. मतलब कॉपर का ही स्टैंड है और कॉपर का पॉट है, कॉपर पे हम कॉपर को रख के और फिर वी आर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज लाइक दिस एंड स्टिल योर कॉपर स्टैंड इज नॉट कंपलसरी. आप कोई भी टाइल ले सकते हैं, जैसे आपकी ग्रेनाइट की कोई टाइल हो या मार्बल की कोई टाइल हो, उसके ऊपर भी आप रख के कर सकते हैं. बट डोंट टेक अर्दन बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक विद इन फ्यू डेज. आप अर्दन लेंगे, यदि कुछ लेंगे तो वो तो इसकी हीट की वजह से वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा.
That was very, very interesting. Thank you, Akash, for introducing Naveen ji and Shalini.
Thank you, ma'am.
to
Thank
the-
you so much.
Thank you.
And thanks to
Wonderful.
Akash ma'am and ma'am Trupti ma'am also to you ma'am who has given a chance to come on this forum and share the Agnihotra science and the process to all the participants ma'am.
Wonderful.
In case of any queries, we are available, ma'am. Ma'am has my number actually. If you
Yeah.
want any support ma'am, in terms of the books or the pot or the cow
Yeah.
dung or anything, ma'am, we are available, ma'am. We'll support.
So
So-
Naveen ji, I just want to request you, if you have any video performing this, so
Yeah, we are
please
having.
share with us so that we can share with all the participants.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure.
I'll
We'll
share
do.
ma'am today itself with you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Chalo,
Thank you so much.
wonderful.
Surely we'll do it.
Also,
Even the
also-
timetable, please.
Yeah.
Sure.
So
Sure,
what I'm
we'll be doing it.
what I'm suggesting is, Akash, maybe जिनको खरीदना है, जैसे सर ने अभी कहा कि it can be bought, right? चाहे वो कुंड हो, चाहे cow dung हो, जो भी है. So the details, if Naveen ji can share of that place, आश्रम की जो डिटेल्स है, आइदर वहाँ से डायरेक्टली ग्रुप ऑर्डर कर सकता है या नवीन जी के द्वारा ऑर्डर कर सकता है,
Anyhow.
तो इट विल बी अ गुड थिंग फॉर द ग्रुप टू डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली.
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
इट विल गेट इजी, है ना?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
तो
Yes, ma'am.
ये हम ग्रुप में डालो, वो वीडियो डालो पहले आकाश,
Yes,
एंड देन
ma'am.
नीचे तुम लिखो कि इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग दिस दीज आर द आइटम्स,
Okay.
and if the costing of that also can be mentioned.
Ma'am, it's
So
available.
per month कितना cow dung चाहिए?
मैम आप मान लीजिए कि पर मंथ के लिए आई जस्ट शो यू मैम वन पीस ओवर हियर मैम. सो इफ यू
अच्छा.
परफॉर्म इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग ऑलमोस्ट मैम 3 pieces आर रिक्वायर्ड, 1.5 piece for one time and 1.5 piece for the second time also if you perform both the times. So almost like 90 to 100 numbers are enough for 1 month and the cost is around 400 to 500 rupees only for the cow dung cakes.
Okay.
But when you buy from the courier side, there will be charges can be extra, ma'am. But
हाँ.
almost 600 rupees or 700 rupees is the sufficient for buying the cow dung cakes.
अच्छा.
Even this pot, ma'am, this pot can be there for the years, ma'am. So
Yeah,
आपने
right,
हवन
of
किया
course. हाँ.
तो वो काला हो जाए, वो ब्लैक हो जाएगा मैम हवन करते ही. अभी देख रहे हैं
हाँ.
कॉपर का आप देख रहे हैं एकदम ब्राइट है, राइट? तो
हाँ.
आपने हवन किया तो वो ब्लैक हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस cow dung केक की वजह से, राइट? लेकिन ईयर्स यू कैन यूज दैट मैम cow dung, ये वाला
हाँ,
ये
पर
वाला
वो
pot.
साफ भी तो हो जाएगा ना,
हाँ.
काला हो
No.
जाएगा तो.
Actually, it is not to be cleaned again. See, क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है कि इसका proper dimension है. If we will be cleaning it, we will be scrubbing it. No, so its dimensions are going to change. That's the reason हम इसको pot में अग्निहोत्र करें. अगर कुछ layers आ जाती हैं तो simply we can remove using cotton or using any cloth or using finger only. But we need not to clean it. We need not to scrub it.
Yes, ma'am.
Because once if we'll be doing that, its dimensions will be changing and its इसका जो layer है वो बहुत पतला होके it is going to make holes in it. So that's the reason उसको हमें करना नहीं है. केवल हम इसी में अग्निहोत्र करते रहें, black हो जाएगा within 2-3 days it will turn black. No problem.
पर
But,
आपका तो काला नहीं है.
It's new.
आपका तो नया. अच्छा, ओके.
ये तो नया है. In this we are not performing it. Wait, I am showing
Hey,
you.
Anna, we'll show
आपको
you.
मैं
ma'am.
नया
Ma'am, आपको
नया
example देता
दिखा
हूँ,
रहे हैं.
ma'am.
मैंने सोचा कि ये तो एक तो
नहीं
तो नवीन जी,
नया है,
Shining
basically.
bright.
Actually, so ma'am, actually in Bangalore also we have all the set available, all the books, all the cow dung cakes, all the set available because we take generally meetings na, so we try to give it to everybody else.
See, this is our pot
See.
in which we are performing.
अच्छा. और ये कितने
हाँ.
साल
It
से
has
इसमें
completely
perform कर
turned
रहे हैं?
black.
और since how many years you are performing in this particular?
In this, I think more than 5 to 7 years.
Oh, ओके ओके
मैम ये वाला 30 years old है,
हाँ ये देखिए,
Yes,
हाँ
अरे
ये
yes,
देखिए,
yes, yes.
पूरा ब्लैक
वाओ
हो
यस,
गया है।
हाँ,
वाओ
यस मैम,
आशी
Yes.
जी
So Naveen
वंडरफुल
ji, as cow dung though is available in other cities also.
हाँ
So is that recommended?
हाँ मैम, आप में कोई भी गौशाला जहाँ मैम काउज होती है ना,
हाँ,
देसी गाय, देखो मैम,
yes.
भैंस का गोबर यूज नहीं करना हमें, काउ
हाँ,
मतलब
ठीक है।
गाय का हो, बैल का हो, वो गोबर यूज करना है
हाँ,
हमें,
गौशाला से
ओनली
ला सकते
गौशाला।
हैं ना, किसी भी गौशाला से ला सकते
करेक्ट मैम। ये
हैं।
जो मैं आप देख रहे हैं कंडे, एक्चुअली अग्निहोत्रा के लिए बनाए हुए कंडे एकदम लाइट वेट हैं एक्चुअली, एंड यू कैन इग्नाइट वेरी इजीली। आप यदि जाएंगे मार्केट में देख रहे थिकर साइज जो इग्नाइट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो ये कंडे भी आपको मिल जाएंगे। आप किसी भी गौशाला में बोल दीजिए कि हमें हवन करने के लिए कंडे चाहिए, दे विल मेक इट इन द स्मॉल पीस आल्सो विद द प्योरिफिकेशन, मतलब वो जनरली मिट्टी नहीं लगाएंगे कुछ, और जनरली दे विल यूज द कैरी बैग टू पुट द काउ डंग एक्चुअली एंड ड्राइड। सो वो आपको बताना है उनको, किसी भी गौशाला से आप अरेंज कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें, देयर इज नो वरी पॉइंट।
we can different people in different cities can check out
Yeah.
यस,
है ना
अगर
पहले
आपको नहीं, हाँ सॉरी, अगर आपको नहीं मिल पाता तो वी आर अवेलेबल मैम,
right
वी विल
Yeah.
सपोर्ट।
correct okay so I think that's wonderful I think everybody's enjoyed
I
the
think
session Aruna you want to say something
this is the one now, ma'am. I'm using this part since
Ah.
5.5 years.
वाओ,
Great.
ग्रेट मैम।
It didn't turn
Yeah.
black.
Smoothly cleaning sometimes.
मैम उसको, हाँ उसको स्क्रब ना करें, बस वही वो आप ध्यान रखें,
Yeah,
बाकी
yeah.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, नो इश्यूज मैम।
nice nice
Yes,
So
very
yes.
nice
Thank you,
one more
thank you.
question, Naveen ji.
यस मैम।
Can we do like I do a daily home at 12 o'clock, मतलब in the morning? Can we use that same patra for
No
doing?
ma'am, no ma'am. Actually, we should use the same patra only. I'll tell you the logic behind it actually. आपने हवन किया मैम एक बार में, राइट? आपने काउडंग केक्स लिया, उसको जमाया, उसके अंदर उसको इग्नाइट कर लिया, राइट? तो मैम उसकी ऐश रहेगी उसके अंदर, वो ऐश को हमें वैकेट नहीं करना मैम, बिकॉज योर ऐश विल बिकम पावरफुल फॉर अगेन 12 आवर्स। तो आपने सुबह हवन किया, शाम का हवन करेंगे तो इट विल बी 12 आवर्स गैप मैम। तो ये जो आप शेप देख रहे हैं, इट्स एक्चुअली रिसीवर ऑफ द एनर्जी मैम, इट्स एक्चुअली कॉस्मिक एनर्जी जो होता है उसको रिसीव करता है मैम एक्चुअली ये। तो क्या होगा, आपकी ऐश जो होगी इट विल बी मोर पावरफुल मैम, एंड देन दिस ऐश कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर मल्टीपल पर्पसेस मैम, व्हिच आई टोल्ड जस्ट नाउ ना। तो वो आपको वैकेट नहीं करना, वो ऐश यूज करना है, इसलिए कोई भी दूसरे हवन में इस पात्र को यूज ना करें।
Okay.
मान लीजिए आपने मंगल हवन किया तो वो भी आप उसके सेकंड पॉट ले लें, अदरवाइज क्या होगा, आपका जो पात्र वो खाली हो जाएगा, वो हमें खाली नहीं रखना,
Got
वो
it, got it.
मतलब ब्लैंक नहीं होना चाहिए, दे शुड बी ऐश।
Okay.
एंड यू कैन वेकेट द ऐश मैम बिफोर यू स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट टाइम परफॉर्मेंस। लेट्स से आपने आज सुबह किया, शाम को मान लीजिए आप नहीं कर पाए, यू आर नॉट इन द होम, नोबडी इज देयर इन द होम, यू कैन गेट इट द नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग मैम, देन यू कैन वेकेट द ऐश मैम।
और कहाँ पे रखे ऐश को?
हाँ मैम, उस ऐश को आप चाहे किसी कंटेनर के अंदर, किसी कैरी बैग में आप रख लीजिए मैम। आप उस ऐश को डाल सकते हैं अपने पेड़ पौधों के अंदर। आई शोड ना दिस बुक अग्निहोत्रा ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग, इंग्लिश में है, वो हिंदी में मैंने बुक दिखाई थी आपको। आई जस्ट शो यू वन मोर, या दिस बुक अग्निहोत्रा
What are the
कृषि
other
वन।
ways to use the ash? Because मेरे पास पेड़ पौधे नहीं हैं।
हाँ, तो मैम आप उसको पानी में मिक्स कर लीजिए, ऐश को छान के पानी में मिक्स कर लीजिए, पानी से आप
Okay.
उसको पानी को शुद्ध कर सकते हैं, या उसको पेड़ पौधे नहीं है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप उसको मेडिसिन की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं। और यदि एक्स्ट्रा हो तो अपने आसपास जो आपके मतलब फार्म है, मान लीजिए कोई गार्डन है, कहीं पेड़ पौधे
गार्डन में
वहाँ
डाल सकते हैं। ठीक
डाल
है।
सकते हैं easily।
And Naveen ji, some people use ash to clean their utensils as well. So
Yeah, we can do
can we
that
do
even.
Yes ma'am,
We can do that.
We can do that।
Oh, okay. Good.
There are actually multiple uses मैम of the ash। Actually मैम ऐश को यदि आप सर्च करेंगे ना, इट्स एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ मैजिकल पाउडर मैम एक्चुअली। ये बहुत बड़ा,
Antiseptic है।
हाँ इट्स एक्चुअली मैजिकल पाउडर, इट कैन क्रिएट द मैजिक, मतलब बहुत अच्छा है एक्चुअली। इट्स एंटीसेप्टिक एंड यू कैन इनटेक इन द नंबर ऑफ हेल्थ इश्यूज व्हिच वी डिस्कस इन दिस बुक आल्सो।
Lovely.
तो बहुत सारे यूज है मैम ऐश के।
Wonderful. So there is nothing like waste.
नथिंग
Yeah.
इज वेस्ट मैम, और एक्सपेंसेस बहुत कम है मैम, 400-500 रुपये 600
नहीं,
मान लीजिए
बिल्कुल,
फॉर द
बिल्कुल।
एंटायर मंथ।
बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं है वो तो।
और वो पूरी फैमिली के लिए अच्छा है मैम। आप देखिए अपने अकेले के लिए नहीं है, क्योंकि आपने हवन किया, पूरा वातावरण मेरा शुद्ध हुआ मैम,
बिल्कुल।
पूरा घर शुद्ध हुआ, तो
बिल्कुल।
सबके लिए वो बेनिफिशियल हो गया मैम।
Nice. nice.
आप जरूर ट्राई करें. I mean,
हाँ
this
जी,
is our
जरूर
request. आप
जरूर
जरूर ट्राई
जरूर.
करें. आप जो भी कर सकते हैं प्लीज कीजिए स्टार्ट. मैम के साथ आकाश मैम का मेरा नंबर है एक्चुअली. कैन कनेक्ट वंस अगेन. नो इश्यूज. आई शेयर
हम
ऑल डिटेल्स टुनाइट विद आकाश मैम with
हाँ
all the
जी,
price and then all the videos also. It's
lovely.
very much nominal. There is no worry. And then मैम
Nice.
आप स्टार्ट करें. आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस लें. This is a really good platform where you can also share this
Yeah, of
as a knowledge
course.
and the benefit.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So everybody, I hope you all have all enjoyed the talk. I'm sure we have. So let us give a little feedback to Naveen ji and Shalini about how we enjoyed the talk.
So Naveen ji, it's a wonderful session.
Thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
As you are describing all the benefits, and I am really make my mind to start it. And thank you
Yes.
so much for giving us this amazing information.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
ma'am,
much.
for hearing us also.
Thank
By very
you.
coolly and nicely way, actually.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
इंटरेस्टिंगली नवीन जी, आप ऐसे समय इसको लाए हो जबकि जयपुर का AQI भी बहुत पुअर हो रहा है.
बहुत एक्चुअली.
अभी बाहर जाते हैं ना तो हम सांस नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, मतलब बालकनी में. दिल्ली का सुना था, लेकिन अभी जयपुर के ये हाल है.
हाँ.
तो आपने तो बिल्कुल राइट टाइम पे
Thank you, ma'am. वो ये सब है ना आकाश मैम को है पूरा. थैंक्स टू आकाश मैम. एक्चुअली वी स्पोक ऑन द ओवर द फोन कॉल एंड मैम एग्रीड अपॉन टू टेक सेशन वेरी क्विकली. सो Trupti ma'am also, because she also agreed upon for session actually very quickly. So thanks to both ma'am actually from हमारे मन
No,
से
no,
और
I
दिल
think
से
I
actually.
think नए साल के लिए ये सब चीज़ें हमें प्रिपेयर करनी है अभी. So I thought this will be a good idea कि end of the year से हम थोड़ा एक नया system लाए in our prayers and mantra chanting and now Agnihotra. So I think it's wonderful. So thank you again, Naveen ji, Shalini and Akash.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
thank you
Thank you, ma'am.
everybody for being
Thank you so
present
much.
here.
Thank you, Akash.
Thank you.